Hello everyone, welcome back here in Jameson's class. 我是你们的积木老师，我们已经有一段时间没有见了。How are you everyone? So welcome back to the challenge on calculation and fun questions. 欢迎来到我们的趣题计算闯关。So I hope you can enjoy learning and enjoy thinking about some fun questions. Okay? So without further ado, let's take a look at today's exercise. 我们赶紧看一下我们今天的趣题。今天的趣题呢，需要大家用到逻辑推理的能力。Okay, we need to think, use your logic to think. So now let's take a look. Okay, so there are three people. 有三个人 we have A, B, and C. And one of them is an athlete. And one of them is a teacher. And one of them is a doctor. 其中一个是医生、运动员，还有一个是教师。And then it is known A is the doctor's neighbor. Okay. B was the doctor's classmate. And A is heavier than the athlete. So we need to find out who is the athlete, who is the teacher, and who is the doctor based on the information given. Okay. 所以读题非常的重要，因为信息非常的多。And always remember to leave some markers, right? 还有印象吧？一定要做对应的标记啊，这个是非常重要的。OK, leave the markers 做标记啊，我重新再写一下，一定要做好对应的标记。OK, so how are we going to solve them? OK, we take a look. OK, there are a lot of information going on. So how can we make clear all of the information? 怎么样把所有的条件给搞清楚呢？ OK, so here I hope you can use a table to help you. 我们可以画一个表格，那这些就会更加清楚了。Okay, so now here we have a table. Okay, so how many people are there? Yeah, there are three people. We have A, and we have B, and we have C, right? A, B, C, 三个人。And what are the jobs? Yes, we have athlete. Okay, 一个是运动员，我简单写一下运动员。And one of them is a teacher, right? 一个是教师。Okay, and one of them is the doctor. 是一个医生。So now we have a table like this. And then we can make some cross or ticks in the table. 打一下叉或是打一个勾，然后帮助大家去确认他们的身份。Okay, so now let's do it one by one. So the first one, what is the first piece of information? Yeah, A is the doctor's neighbor. So think about it. If A is the doctor's neighbor, so that means, is A a doctor? Not really, right? 所以他不是医生。那 A 不是医生，我们就可以用一个we can draw a cross here in this box, right? 所以我们在这个地方打个叉。A is not a doctor because he is the doctor's neighbor. And what about the second one? B was the doctor's classmate. So same question. Is B a doctor? Not really, right? 所以 B 它也不是医生。So what can we do? Yeah, we can write a cross here in this box. Yes? And what about the last one? A is heavier than the athlete. A 比运动员要更加的重。So the question, is A an athlete? Yes or no? Not really, right? So, okay, so we can draw a cross here. So from these three sentences, we can draw a table like this. And now let's take a look. So A here, if A is not an athlete, is not a doctor, so what can he be? Yes, of course, right? So here, he can only be a teacher. So now we can see A is actually a teacher. We can write a tick here. Okay, A is a teacher. Okay, and if A is a teacher, let's take a look at B. So can B be a teacher? Not really, right? 所以 B 它肯定不是老师。Okay, so if B is not a teacher, not a doctor, so he is definitely yes, very good, an athlete, right? Okay, an athlete. 所以这个我们就知道了。So from these two, we can see what about C? So very clear, right? Because C is not an athlete, B is, and C is also not a teacher, which is A, right? And that means actually C is a doctor, right? Okay. So now we can finally find the answer. Okay, what are the answers? To check very quickly. Yeah, so the athlete is, yes, very good, is B. Okay, I change the color here. The athlete is B. And what about the teacher? Yeah, the teacher is A. And what about the doctor? The doctor is C. Very good. Okay, so here, to sum up a little bit, what can we do when you have a lot of information going on? Yes, don't forget to use the table. 一定要用表格的方法啊，帮助小朋友们去分析。OK， 那所以接下来呢，希望遇到类似的题目，你们可以自己给自己画个表格，去分析一下每个人的真实的情况，好吧 ？OK， so much for today, and we see you next time. Okay, hopefully you can enjoy learning and keep making progress with Jimson here. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.